you've come so far.
Howdy, lovely. How are you today? Please let me know. So today I am going to do purple white look with this purple bio glitter from Glotatts. You can't even see it. It's biodegradable glitter. So I've just been sourcing out my colours that we're going to use. I've been to Inglot because I felt like I needed a nice purple. This is the Inglot shadow I've picked up. This is Soul from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Novena palette, and these two are from the Pastel Goth palette. So unfortunately Soul's a lot darker than I thought it was going to be. So it's been kicked out of the running and replaced by the Pastel Goth shades, which I think means I'm going to buy the Strobe Cosmetics Pastel-y palette. Because I love pastels. I want more of them. I need many, many, many. So I'm just going to do my eyes first because we're doing glitter. It's going to be a mess before I do anything else. So starting off with the MAC Soft Ochre paint pot. We're just going to prime away. Alright, so the paint pot is laid down now. And we're going to go into, so this is the palette I've got with some Sydney Grace shadows and Inglot shadows that I've got. This is my new purple one, and this is 494. So yeah, I'm gonna pull in the Jeffree Starr Beauty Killer palette. I actually haven't used this much at all. I bought it and then he was cancelled. But look, I'm on a whole thing at the moment using everyone's palettes. So I'm gonna put China White just everywhere. So I'd absolutely love to know. I know I've really been on a bit of a thing with just like trying to use as many different palettes in a look as possible. I'd absolutely love to know what kind of palette or what palette you might like to see me try and do, like three looks one palette, or the palette bingo. I've got 50 plus palettes in my collection, so you can watch my palette collection video and let me choose from there, or you can take some guesses and see what you think. Like I've got Sweet Peach, the Naked Heat, Coloured Rain, Queen of Hearts. Maybe one of those palettes is something you'd like to see a bit of me making some looks up with it, where I focus on other palettes, or are you enjoying me just making ones up based on like what I feel like on the day? Like, to be honest, I'm having fun here. I was going to be doing it. Then I'm going to pull in, using the same brush, I'm going to going into Dope, and that's going to be our crease colour. This is from the Pastel Goth shade. I'm going to have to have a better look at that Strobe palette that they've got, or have a look at more pastels. Maybe I should go to Inglot and make a pastel palette from their shadows, because I am enjoying their stuff. And I know this is limited, like not available anymore. I feel semi-bad using it, but I also feel good using it because I bought it and never used it. I was hoping this was going to be nice and bright like that blue, but it's not. I'm just going to do the outer part of my eye first because I'm feeling like it's the same brush again. Oh, I thought that palette had a mirror. Of course it doesn't. Should we bring you in, eh? Let's go and do the other one. Well, I really didn't pick much up on the brush that time. There we are, there's some of that pigment we were looking for. So I feel like these purples are just becoming one. I was hoping the shadow was going to be amazing. I'm not that into this Inglot shadow. Alright, I'm just going to pull in with my finger. I really wanted just like more pigment out here. That's more what I was looking for. I'm a bit sad I needed to bring my finger in to do it though. Sometimes it's just like so much easier. Let's see what's going on in this skippy little spot here. It's starting to really annoy me. What is that? Did I fix it? I don't recommend this purple from Inglot. It could be good as it's not good as a blendy shade. I think it's promising as a like lid shade. Alright, I'm going to pull out a different brush Let's go to my old school 217. I'm back to the Pastel Goth and back to Dope. Ah, this is doing it. See, now it's got what I want. It's like it needs to be on top of a shadow to really build. But these shadows are just such a nice way, like a pastel. I didn't actually realise how necessary I'd feel about a pastel palette in my collection. Because it seems like something you don't need. But it really just lightens up any shadow, like, look. And I like having the whole spectrum of shadows at my beck and call. So like, what is going on here? Let's go. I've actually got like one of those hilarious brushes, like an old school. I've actually got one of these around, so I'm gonna, I think I've used it before, but I'm gonna use this on the Inglot shadow. See, it doesn't really want to come up. Anyway, I've just got like a little smidge on there. See? And that took quite a, oh, well, look, my smidge is here. This took quite a bit to sort of, much better. What do we think of what's happening so far? I'm gonna go back into Dope. I think I'm just gonna pull this down on the lid too. I just pretty much put Dope everywhere if that footage all didn't work. Then let's just do the inner corner highlight while we're here. I was eyeing off Princess. Alright, and then I don't actually have any wet wipes around. That's funny. I've just got my lovely little makeup eraser. So let's just try a bit of a clean up. See, I like how this one's sort of blended. This one not so much. So this is going back in again with Inglot shadow. I feel like it's better. But now I feel this is, I don't know, I feel like I could just do this all night. Let's just move along with the party. Now, the glitter is coming. But first, I thought I should try this before I put the glitter on, and that's to put liner on. There's a chance this liner will ruin the whole game. So this is the Inglot. I've already sort of swatched it a little bit just to play with it. But this is, why do they never give their stuff nice names? Number 97. AMC Eyeliner Gel. Made to contain caramel. So I'm sorry. It is not vegan. And so I'm just picking up a little bit. Also, it's the line that's swatched here. So this is how I sort of pick out the shadow combinations I'm going to do, and then I put a line through them all with the liner to see what it would look like. Let's see how we go. And now I'm sorry, Julia, I know I talked about purple and yellow, but then someone told me the purple and orange went together, and then this seemed like a liner. And please tell me I called you Julia, not Julie again. When I was in Inglot, they were like, no, it's purple and orange that go nicely together. So I was like, alright, we'll give it a try. Sounds like it's raining outside. Oh, this is like my first little wing. What do you think? I feel like I probably should go bolder with it, but I'm a bit scared. Let's just do the other eye first and see how I manage over here. I'm finding it's drying really quick. See, I did a tiny wing and a big wing. Alright, I think I'm just going to stop there because I'm scared of what will happen if I keep going. I'm sort of happy with it. I don't think anyone, like, in real life will really notice. Like, you know, because you saw this video. I want to get the glitter. Alright, welcome to a different view of my tummy, kind of. Oh, look, my face is there a little bit. Anyway, so I thought I'd just show you. So I got some instructions on Duraline when I was in Inglot as well. And she said to put it on like a makeup palette thing, and then scrape off some of your eyeshadow and then make a paste. So I'm going to do that with the glitter. Oops. And I just thought it'd be fun to show you. That was definitely too much glitter. I thought this might just be a good way to try instead of doing glitter glue or something. And it'll just give me like a really nice pigment. Ooh, do you see that? Yeah. Alright, let's bring you back up. So I'm going to put that stuff that you just saw on my eye. What do we think? I think Duraline definitely makes putting glitter on a lot easier. There's the cleanup process afterwards. And so the reason I chose to do liner first is because I knew I'd have a way harder time arguing with this glitter if I put the liner on last. Wow. Now that's a glitter eye. So the last time I did the blue eye, I sort of felt like I didn't go far enough with the blue. And that's why you can see me going a bit crazy with this today. I believe I'm done. Alright, let me do my face. I'll be back. I nearly forgot to finish my eyes. I got distracted playing with other things. So we're just going to go back into that 494 shade from Inglot. And that's just going to go under eyes. I feel like they did a really good job under the eyes. It really just blended seamlessly. Oh, and then a liner. We're going to go into, I used this one the other day, Crybaby. I feel like I'm going to need some more liners from Colourpop soon. Do you have any favourite liners that you like to get? Or what liner do you reckon I should get? That is done. And then mascara. So I'm going to put this on. I'll be back in a sec. So I've got the NARS Climax mascara on. Rouge Velvet here. Butter Bronzer Light. Lancome Mauve Coquette. Starstruck and Fenty highlighter. Amber, Fenty, and the Linen as under eye concealer. I've also got the Benefit Highbrow highlighter. Just because I always sort of forget to this, and I'm just gonna... This is just really easy to me to chuck this in. I've done my eyebrows with the Stella brow thing, and I think I'm finished. What do you think? Did I live up to your expectations? Alright, sorry, I went in a bit heavier with the eyeliner. I thought I'd just show you. I just couldn't do it under your watchful eye. I hope you like the look. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate your time. I hope you take a moment to maybe subscribe or like this video, leave a comment, whatever you feel like. Thank you.